Hello, welcome once again to our channel. Today I'll be talking on the empowering change, which is my solar panel experience. In this video, you will watch all the experiences and learn a lot from it because this journey has given me a lot of experience I would like to share for everyone to learn from. Introducing this topic is one of the ways of encouraging the young ones to learn under me and begin to make a living on their own. And this is the things I do to earn a living also. Embracing solar power was a transformative decision for me. The journey from considering renewable energy to actually installing solar panels on my homes has been an eye-opening experience which every other person out there can attest to. Here is a glimpse into my solar panel experience journey and the impact it's had on my life. It is important I share it with you, and you that is watching this video, get ready to have ideas from this video that you can use to impact your community. One, initially I was confused by the concept of solar energy, but I hesitated to make the switch by starting to learn, and from learning, I can now coach anyone around me. However, after thorough research and consultation with experts, I became convinced of its benefits and the promise of reduced energy bills, environmental sustainability, and energy independence were appealing factors which compels me to study it as well. In the installation process, the installation was smoother than I expected. I learned the installation process with ease, and I can now teach everyone around me with the reputable solar providers that ensure that everything from assessing my home sustainability and suitable for installing the solar panel was done effectively. Witnessing the transformation of my roof into a hub of renewable energy generation was incredibly gratifying, as you can see in this video. It has a lot of benefits. Like I told you, the financial benefit is one of them. One of the most immediate benefits of solar panel was the significant reduction in my electricity bill. I can help you harness this power from the sun in order to make it suitable for you rather than relying on the traditional energy source, but also help you to provide a long-term savings which will help you all the time. Additionally, government incentive and tax credit further sweetens the deals, making the investment even more appealing. Follow me also as I show you the benefits of it on the environment. The environmental impact of this is so much that beyond financial savings, the environmental impact of solar panel cannot be overstated. By generating clean, renewable energy, having significantly reduced carbon footprint, knowing that I am contributing to a cleaner energy, greener and future for generations to come is immensely a rewarding one for me. Likewise, the energy independence is a top notch that you cannot talk everything without mentioning it. One of the most empowering aspects of having solar panel is the sense of energy independence it provides. In Nigeria, whenever a light comes, they'll shout up NEPA. Whenever they take out, whenever there is power outage and restore it back, you will hear up NEPA. But these days, I promise you that if you watch my video constantly, you can see that you have a constant power supply that no longer at the mercy of fluctuating energy prices or grid outage. I feel more comfortable and I feel more in control of my energy consumption, which is enjoying Even in the cloudy days, my solar panels are still generating electricity without fluctuating. Community impact. Beyond personal benefit, my solar panel journey has also inspired others, including the young ones. As you can see from this video, I've been able to create an opportunity for them to learn and practice on their own and earn a living from it. This is one of the benefits that even the young ones can gain the knowledge in this renewable energy and learn how to do it and earn a living. In the same way, it has created a job in the manufacturing sectors, it has created a job in the engineering sectors, it has created a job in the installation processes, and they are earning a living from it. By sharing this my experience and knowledge, I have become a catalyst for change and encouraging others to join the movement towards a sustainable energy. In conclusion, my experience with solar panels has been nothing short of transformative. From financial savings to environmental stewardship, the benefits are abundant, and I encourage everyone watching this video to consider solar energy. So the leap and the rewardings are not only tangible but also contribute to a brighter and more sustainable future for all. For you that is watching this video, you can see you have a constant power supply. You can see the lighting up of your room and also your houses, even in your offices. You use it to you charge your batteries and equally use it as a backup whenever you feel like. So this is very important to have in your home, in your offices. And if this is your first time of watching my videos, kindly click on the subscription button. As you do that, you get all the values you need. Thank you for watching.